Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle naturally, making any final adjustments to ensure you feel supported and at ease. Take a moment to appreciate this time you've created for yourself, a pocket of calm in your morning before the day unfolds with all its demands and possibilities. As you prepare to begin this practice, know that these next 10 minutes are entirely yours, a gift of renewal and energy that will sustain you throughout your day. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold this breath for a moment, feeling the expansion in your chest, and then exhale fully through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be carrying. Continue breathing naturally now, finding your own rhythm, allowing each breath to flow without effort or control. Notice how with each inhale, fresh energy enters your body, and with each exhale, you release what no longer serves you. Bring your awareness to the points where your body connects with the surface beneath you. Feel the support it offers, solid and dependable. Notice the weight of your body pressing downward and the equal force pushing back up to hold you. This exchange of energy is happening effortlessly, requiring nothing from you. Just as the earth supports you now, it will continue to support you throughout your day, providing a foundation from which you can draw strength and stability. Now, scan your body from the crown of your head down to your toes, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort without judgment. Simply observe these sensations with curiosity. Perhaps there's tightness in your shoulders, or your jaw feels clenched. Whatever you discover, acknowledge it with kindness. With each exhale, imagine these areas softening, melting, releasing their grip. Your body knows how to relax if you give it permission. Direct your attention to your feet. Feel the soles of your feet, your toes, the tops of your feet. Notice any sensations present, perhaps warmth, tingling, or simply the touch of your socks or the air against your skin. Imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet, reaching down into the earth below, anchoring you, connecting you to a vast reservoir of energy that flows beneath the surface. With each breath, draw some of this vital energy up through your roots, feeling it enter your feet and begin to travel upward. This energy now moves into your ankles, calves, and knees, bringing with it a gentle warmth and sense of renewal. Feel it continuing upward into your thighs, dissolving any heaviness or fatigue stored there. The energy flows into your hips and pelvis, the center of your physical power and stability. With each breath, this area becomes more vibrant, more alive with possibility. Allow this revitalizing energy to flow up into your abdomen, filling your digestive organs with healing light. Feel it moving into your lower back, releasing any tension that may have accumulated there. The energy continues rising, entering your solar plexus, the seat of your personal power and confidence. Feel this area expanding, glowing with a bright, golden light that strengthens your resolve and clarifies your intentions for the day ahead. This radiant energy now reaches your heart center, illuminating it with a warm, compassionate light. Feel your chest expand as your heart fills with energy, awakening feelings of gratitude and connection. This is the energy that will allow you to approach your day with openness and empathy, to connect meaningfully with others, and to recognize the beauty that surrounds you. Take a moment to consider one thing you're truly grateful for this morning, and allow that gratitude to amplify the energy in your heart. As this revitalizing energy continues its journey upward, it flows into your throat, the center of expression and truth. Feel a cool blue light illuminating this area, clearing any blockages that may prevent you from speaking your truth or expressing your authentic self. Today, your words will flow with clarity and purpose, your voice carrying the unique gift that only you can offer the world. The energy rises further, entering the space between your eyebrows, your third eye center. This is the seat of intuition and inner wisdom. Feel this area softening, opening, becoming receptive to the subtle guidance that is always available to you. Today, you'll move through your experiences with heightened awareness, noticing opportunities and insights that might otherwise pass unrecognized. Finally, this illuminating energy reaches the crown of your head, connecting you to something larger than yourself, universal consciousness, divine wisdom, or simply the vast potential of your own mind. Feel this connection as a gentle pressure or tingling at the top of your head, a reminder that you are never truly alone, never without resources or support. Today, you'll carry this connection with you, drawing upon it whenever challenges arise. Now, visualize before you a magnificent mountain peak, its snow-covered summit rising above a sea of clouds that drifts slowly across the landscape. The entire scene is bathed in the breathtaking colors of sunset, deep purples blending into fiery oranges, golden yellows, and rich reds painting both sky and clouds. The mountain stands firm, unmoved by the changing patterns of weather or the passing of seasons. Like this mountain, you too possess an inner stability that remains constant despite life's fluctuations. The clouds that swirl around the mountain's base, catching the radiant sunset hues, represent your thoughts and emotions, constantly in motion, sometimes obscuring your view, but never changing the essential nature of the mountain itself. As you breathe deeply, imagine yourself becoming this mountain, solid, serene, majestic. Your awareness extends from the depths of the earth to the heights of the sky. Nothing can truly disturb your innermost being. The sunset bathes your summit in a tapestry of purple, yellow, orange, and red light, while the clouds continue their graceful dance below, catching and reflecting these vibrant hues. This is the balance you'll carry into your day, grounded stability coupled with flexibility and flow, wrapped in the energizing warmth of sunset colors. With each breath now, feel yourself absorbing the qualities of this mountain landscape, strength from the rock, adaptability from the clouds, clarity from the crisp mountain air, and the transformative energy of the sunset colors washing over the snow-capped peak. Purple brings you wisdom and intuition. Yellow infuses you with optimism. Orange ignites your creativity, and red grounds you in passion and vitality. These qualities are already within you, waiting to be awakened and expressed. Today, you have the opportunity to embody them fully in everything you do, in every interaction, in every choice, large or small. Begin to expand your awareness beyond this visualization, returning to the physical sensations of your body. Notice the weight of your limbs, the rhythm of your breath, the subtle movements that accompany each inhale and exhale. Feel the renewed energy flowing through your entire being, vibrant, balanced, and ready to be channeled into purposeful action. This energy is not frenetic or overwhelming. It's clear, focused, and sustainable. As we prepare to conclude this practice, set an intention for your day. It might be a quality you wish to embody, a goal you wish to pursue, or simply a commitment to carry this sense of renewal with you throughout the hours ahead. Whatever intention arises, hold it gently in your awareness, infusing it with the energy you've cultivated during this meditation. Trust that this intention will guide you, even during moments when your conscious mind is occupied with other matters. Begin to deepen your breath once more, taking 3 full, conscious breaths. With each inhale, draw in vitality and purpose. With each exhale, release any remaining doubts or hesitations. Feel yourself fully present in this moment, aligned with your highest potential, ready to step forward into your day with renewed energy and clear direction. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, reawakening movement in your body. Perhaps stretch in any way that feels good, honoring your body's needs and boundaries. And as you open your eyes, carry with you the mountain's steadfast presence, the clouds' graceful adaptability, the vibrant energy of sunset hues, and your own innate capacity for renewal. Just as the sunset marks a transition filled with beauty and possibility, this moment marks your transition into a day full of potential. The energy you've cultivated is yours to direct, yours to share, and yours to replenish whenever you return to this practice. May your day unfold with clarity, purpose, and the same radiant beauty as the sunset-bathed mountain peak in your visualization.